now it's part 2. I mean, that was cool. That was loud. That's all I can say. Oh, where are the fire engines now? Apart from their good old glory, aren't they? What fire engines then? Did you actually see the fire engines?
Yeah, I saw them whizzle out there and go round, yeah. That's what I was trying to shout at.
I was down there, I could see them.
Free, yeah, it's not terrible.
Right, the nasty winner, going to get your jet blast. Let's see who's stronger. 150 mile per hour winds are a male. Yeah, a male. Just to watch you right now, I had my head out of the window when we were going 75 to 90 mile per hour. I was like, oh yeah, my bing chilling, now jet blast, 我是上学皮。Yeah. See if I can find my best. Oh yeah, let's go show you about the escape plan with the guy. So if you trap playing soccer in here for 24 hours, I mean, they wouldn't want to leave anyways because they're playing soccer. But do you know what they could do? They could do this if they wanted to leave. Hi. We're on the other side of the universe. On a fence. Private property. What's private property? Attention. This fenced off land is restricted and not open for the public access. Danger, high voltage. Nope. Yes, a tiny bit. But we're not going to touch that, are we? Strictly no admittance. Nah, bro, I don't care, fella. Dream of the land. God, that scared my life out of me death, you know. Jesus. That's why you need to check for ambulances, fire engines, or police cars. That's what you call living the dream life. Lying down on a bedrock load of grass. Lovely. What's landing? Sun Express. Hey! Frick is that not? Oh. Yeah, I'm definitely on the flight path. Yeah, big boy. Undertaker. Oh yeah, goodbye John Cena. Nah bro, John Cena had his final match today against Brock Lesnar. I mean, wah. Strictly, no, admittance, or whatever it said. Do you know what I'm doing? Singing that goddamn restricted field. Now shut up. Nah, bro, we get. So the government of the UK did the migrant policy, yeah, and it was one in, one boat in, which is for the thousands of people. And literally they did one out thing, one in, one out thing. Do you know what happened? So we got one out, 800,000 in. Yeah, that's definitely got the policy correct. You know what I mean, guys? Beautiful. Nah, nowadays we need Andrew Tate as the goddamn government. Heard what he said about it. he would flipping send all every single piece of their pennies to the military and get them guns and kill them, you know. Ruined you because I used them in PE. But all I can say at school, I use them in PE. So if you don't know what all I can say, yeah, they have jet fuel particles on it. Oh my god, the TUI's taken off. Damn. Hello. Every. We haven't seen an EasyJet yet. That's disrespectful to the EasyJet. Get the EasyJets in. Excuse me. You're going to get told off by the police and fined $1 trillion in the UK. You want to get out of here. It's strictly no admittance. Admittance. Whatever it said. Admittance. Whatever. Ryanair! Let's see how smooth your landing is. If you got it smooth, I'm giving you an extra £50, you know. Bro! How the frick did you do that? Like, it's that hard of a landing, fella. Like, negative £50 home. I've seen it.
Coat.
No. Where's the jet to?
The grey one coming out.
I'm going to check on the flight radar. See, I would have gone far. The new one's the new one's the sun, I think. I don't know.
TUI fly on 5-minute approach.
TUI fly 5 minutes into approach.
No, 5 minutes on approach. It's approaching now. It's just
Can we just have a check quickly? Oh yeah, it's going to have a commentary. Is that
Yeah,
it's going to be over Rugby? Oh god, oh yeah, there we go, we got it right. Oh my Jesus. Engine noise gets me distracted. Won't be a shock, would it? Oh look, we're getting louder. Let me just find that point again. There it is. Louder. It's a little bit too loud. Turn the volume down, please. Oh yeah, we get a Lufthansa. No, John. No, mister. Lufthansa. Nope. Neo livery. You came up with Dublin. Stop it. We're gonna get the... No, that's going to Heathrow. Dunno. We're gonna get the 787 takeoff. Wait there, guys. We'll go Dublin because I want you to be happy. Nice. I'll come, but only if it's a plane spotting trip. So tomorrow, oh no, it's a very... Anyway, don't affect me.